If you're looking for a pattern that you can use to make blankets, placemats, doormats, sweaters, and many other things, you're in the right place. This pattern may look complicated, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pull it off easily. So grab your yarn, the thickness of your choice, and a hook that matches the thickness of your yarn. The thicker the yarn, the bigger the hook should be, and the thicker the project will become. And let's begin. We are going to start by making a magic loop. That's our magic loop. And we are going to chain a multiple of 2 plus 1 chain for turning, depending on the size of the project that you want. Here I am going to chain 20, which is a multiple of 2, and then I'll add 1 stitch at the end for turning. That's my chain of 20, chain 1, and now we are going to make a row of single crochet stitches across the chain. At the end of the chain, we shall be having 20 single crochet stitches. I've reached the end of the row. I'm going to chain 1, turn, and then make a second row of single crochet stitches. At the end, chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to make a double crochet stitch in the very first chain space. After this, we are going to skip 1 chain space and make a double crochet stitch in the next chain space. Now yarn over, go between the 2 double crochet stitches that you've made in that space. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. You'll have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 of them. So you have 2 loops. Now, yarn over and go to the chain space that you skipped. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You'll be having 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through 3 of them, yarn over and pull through 2. We are going to repeat that process. Yarn over, skip 1 chain space, skip that one, go to the next one, yarn over, make a double crochet stitch, yarn over, go in between the stitches, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 of them. Yarn over, go in the chain space that you skipped. That one, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 3 of them. Yarn over, pull through 2 of them. We are going to keep repeating this until we reach the end of the row. We've come to the end of our row. Those are 8 stitches. We are going to add another one to make them 9. And then we end with a double crochet stitch. We started with a double crochet stitch, we end with a double crochet stitch, chain 1 and turn our work. And now we are going to make single crochet stitches across the row. At the end of the row, we should be having 20 single crochet stitches. Chain 1, turn your work. And these are basically the rows that make up this pattern. 2 rows of single crochet stitches followed by 1 row of the special stitch, and keep making that over and over again until your project reaches the size that you desire. Keep crocheting. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and tell us how you found this stitch in the comment section below. Until next time, God bless you.